Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you, my class 10th students. Now here I am Manoj Mishra of your computer teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, in this chapter we are going to learn the question answer, the solutions of the question answer, unsolved questions, assignment solutions of Unit 5. This is the digital presentation. According to your book, according to your question and answer, we are going to learn, we are going to explain the things very carefully. Learn, student, learn all the questions, see all the questions very carefully. All questions based on boards, examinations, and explanations should clear. Okay. So dear students, here is the MCQs. Actually, MCQ multiple choice questions here. So here is 5 questions and with answers. So please note down. And this video will help you in completing your copies also. So please care all the questions and learn all the questions very carefully. So dear students, this is question 1. And which of the following tabs contains the chart option? I want to tell you, and you know well, that chart and illustrations group in chart, images, videos, whatever you will found in insert tab. Okay dear student, so you should answer here insert tab. And now the next question is the effects displayed when one slide gives away to another slide are known as. The effects displayed when one slide gives way to another slide are known as. This is the answer is transition effect. Dear student should answer these question as a transition effect. And now here third question, the view you typically create your presentation in is whatever the views you are using for creating the presentation. So this is a normal view. Dear students, you should clear it. Normal view is here to uh, create a presentation. Okay dear student, so by this way you can create all the things. And now here this is the fourth question, which of the following cannot be included in a presentation? Dear students, which of the following cannot be included in a presentation? Should know well, that is Java is a different program and never included, never added with the presentation. So next question, the animation pane option is present in the group in animation tab. Which group? So dear student, advanced animation group, you will found their animation pane in the present. Okay. Next, short answer type questions. Write 2 advantages of inserting a table in a PowerPoint presentation. This is very short question actually. It is short answer, 30 words minimum. So the following are the 2 advantages of inserting table in a presentation. Number 1, table can be used to present numeric data. Second is, a table can be used to create unique layouts. So dear student, question number 2 here, what do understand by speaker notes? In PowerPoint, speaker notes provide you the ability to add notes to the presentation slide as a reminder and reference. So dear students, in this sequence, question number 3 is here, what do you mean by grouping objects? I want to know you. In PowerPoint, grouping objects allows you to group 2 or more PowerPoint objects into a single grouped object so that you can move them easily on a slide. Okay, it means in slide, suppose that you want to move to more objects at a time, so you can group those objects. Next question is, differentiate between movie clip and audio clip in MS PowerPoint. You know well students that what is movie clip and that what is audio clip. Now here, movie clip is a short segment of a video which helps emphasize certain points in the presentation and makes it more effective and efficient. Audio clip is a short segment of sound which helps emphasize certain points in the presentation and make it more effective. So dear student, by this should clear all the things. Now here short answer questions. Question number 1. What do you understand by formatting a table? Formatting refers to the appearance and arrangement of text in a presentation. Dear student, formatting refers to the appearance and arrangement of the text in a presentation. You can change the appearance of a table by changing the border and color of cells. You may highlight the table by applying color, increasing its size, or underlining it. You can also highlight the table in a presentation by applying different formatting operations. So dear students, by this way you should clear all the questions very carefully. Now, what right steps to create a table in MS PowerPoint? Dear students, here is the steps for creating the tables. The following are the steps to add a table in a presentation. Now, first of all, you should go select the table, insert the table option from the insert tab, and the second one is the insert table dialog box appears. Next one is click the up or down arrow beside the rows spin box to increase or decrease the number of rows, and in fourth step click the up or down arrow beside the columns spin box to increase or decrease the number of columns, and fifth step is click the OK button. Now a table with the specified number of rows and columns is inserted in the presentation. So dear student, there is the step 3. Write steps to prepare a presentation. Perform the following steps to prepare a presentation. Number 1. Select the slideshow tab. Number 2. Click the setup slideshow button. From the setup group, the setup slideshow dialog box appears. Option 3. Step 3. Select the show type option in the setup slideshow dialog box. And fourth step, select the show options in the setup slideshow dialog box, and then select the required option, and after that click the OK button. So dear students, by this way write the steps to insert a chart in a slide. Suppose that you want to insert in a chart in a slide, then how can you insert? So please follow the steps here. Click the following are the steps to add a chart in a slide. The step 1, click the chart button under the illustrations group. I have informed you before questions. So there is the illustrations group. In illustration group you will find the insert image, insert video, insert audio, and insert shapes, inserts, also a chart. So dear student should go and select the illustration group of the insert tab, and the insert chart dialog box appears. When you find insert dialog box appears, you should select the desired chart type that you want from the insert chart dialog box. The chart of the selected type gets inserted on the slide. So dear student, by this way you can complete all the question and answer. There is the question long answer questions. Here is the question 1. Explain the features that help in enhancing the appearance of your presentation. So dear student, the following are some of the features which help in enhancing the appearance of a presentation. Here is the inserting a movie clip. Dear student, if you want to insert a movie clip, then movie clip is a short segment of a video which helps to emphasize certain points in the presentation and make it more effective and efficient. Next point, inserting an audio clip. Sound makes a great impact and adds realism to a presentation as it attracts the viewer's attention. And now, next point is working with tables. Suppose you want to represent text in the form of a group of set in the presentation. In such a case, you can use table, and a table is used for a variety of tasks, from presenting numerical data to creating unique layouts. So dear students, next point is working with charts. Charts are an effective and efficient way of representing data in the graphical form. A chart can also be used to represent the tabular numeric data in business. So dear student, and here is in organizations to make the presentation attractive and beneficial for the audience. So dear students, by this way you can answer very easily. There is very easy methods to write the answers here. And next is inserting transitions. How to insert a transition in your PowerPoint, here you can learn. So dear student, transition is a special effect. You know very well that by using the transitions you can you can what you can play, you can show your presentation in a very good methods. So you should use the transition effects and as a special effect, that is about how one slide moves to another slide. So dear students, by these options you should use that how one slide moves to another slide in the presentation and define a way in which slides appear during a slideshow. So dear student, by these things, by using these things, you can do all the options very easily. Next option is inserting animations. This feature helps to draw the viewer's attention to specific content or to make the slide more attractive and eye-catching. So dear students, you know well that if you are using these things, means animation, inserting transition, inserting animation है ना, inserting charts है ना, inserting tables, audio clip, movie clip, so these all the material help you, these all the materials will help you to enhancing the appearance of your presentation. So mind it very carefully. If you will find the question, we can answer very easily. Dear students, here is the question number next. How are transition effects helpful in creating an effective presentation in PowerPoint? Dear student, transition is a special effect that occurs when we switch from one slide to another during a presentation. Dear student, if you are using any transition, the transition is a special effect that occurs when we switch from one slide to another during a presentation. Means when you are when you are playing the presentation, means showing the presentation to your audience, then you can use the transition effect that will come with the very effective manners, and it also defines the way in which slides appears during a slideshow. It also defines the way in which slides appear during a slideshow. The MS PowerPoint provides various types of transition effects such as fade, है ना, dissolve, है ना, etc. While setting the transition effect, you can also insert sound. If you when you are setting the transition effect, you can also find the sound option and also manage the speed of the animations, transitions, sound, and whatever you are, and modify the other predefined transitions properties. So dear student, these methods you can use for creating a very good effective presentation or a PowerPoint. Next, transition effect help in presenting the content in a better and engaging manner. You know well, if you are using the transition effects, that will help you in engaging or a content in a better or engaging manner. Okay, so using transitions gives a professional look to a presentation and helps emphasize certain important details. So dear students, by these methods, it will help you to completing the all unsolved questions in your copy. So by use write all the things very carefully. You can take a screenshot and complete all the questions very carefully. Dear students, you should maintain your copy, because this will help you completing unsolved questions, and by this way you can done your homework, given homeworks also. And this chapter maybe come in your exam, or if you are finding these questions, so you can answers very easily. So please watch the video, learn the materials very carefully, learn the answers very carefully, and we will come with the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much all students.